Hi, everyone. Welcome to another agency brief. I'm John Perello, principal engineer.
And I'm Cody Hartsook. I'm a senior software engineer.
So today we're going to be talking about identity, and that's a way of attributing a validated identity and a badge to an agent. So we're going to be talking about that in the examples that we've been showing before, which is Coffee Agency using the application SDK. So you know some of the pillars of agency that we've been working on. This time we're going to be talking about the transport, which we've already done and shown, but we're going to be adding in the identity. And this is all going to be shown in the Coffee Agency application. In the Lungo example, you guys can start this up now. We've updated it to show the badges. So we'll run through that demo right now, but then you guys can all go check out the code and see how you could do that yourself. So what I'm showing right here is a recording that we took of the application that you can run. And I'll just run through it. You can see now we've got validated badges, but Cody, why don't you walk us through?
Sure. So we have a multi-agent system here with 3 808 agents and then 1 MCP server. We're going to go through a flow of asking to order coffee directly to the Vietnam farm. It's going to make an 808 request over our Slim message bus. And what we've kind of shown here in the colors is that we've created badges, identity badges, based off of the metadata that 808 provides in their .well-known agent card. So the identity service allows you to take that metadata and then create a signed badge from that. And now you're going to see in this next flow how we can actually use these badges. So we're going to change the farm from Vietnam to Brazil, which you see has the red, meaning we don't have a badge that's been generated. And within this flow, we've kind of validated how an agent can maybe use this information to say, let's actually not allow a request if we don't have a validated badge for that agent.
Yeah, so we're trying to show the different kind of workflows. You could do a broadcast that might be unauthorized and say, hey, who has coffee? But when you actually go to purchase, you're going to say, oh, am I authorized for you? So that's going to show the different flows that are like pub sub maybe and broadcast to show how we can talk to agents. But when you actually want to do a transaction, then we're going to say, okay, we're going to go through the identities. The identities that we have set up, we set them up in a server on Outshift. This is us setting up an identity server. You can set up your own, and then your method of it could be done with any different authentication services like Okta and Duo and all the other ones that are out there. So what we've done is we stood this up as a service that you can use during the example to go against, but obviously you could form that on your own. So I think the best thing for you guys to do is check this out in the repos and take a look at the examples that we have in the Coffee Agency and in the Lungo application. So thanks everyone for coming to another agency brief.
See you next time.
See you next time.